Okay, so we have found a linear regression model that performs pretty decent. We saw a pretty big decrease in the generalization error, which is a good thing. But often, once we've had a model, a very common question is, well, which predictor variables are most important or most influential in our model? And that's actually can be a very difficult thing to answer. Each algorithm will treat the influence of a predictor variable differently than other algorithms. But for the most part, most algorithms that we'll look at, especially in this course, we can get this idea of what we call feature importance. And feature importance is the idea of how much influence does a given predictor variable have on the performance of our model. Okay? And so in this case, what we can do is we can use a package called VIP to easily extract and then plot the number of predictors that we want to show. And what this package will do is, depending on the model, the type of model you supply it, so in this case a linear regression model, it will look at the common way that we measure variable importance for that given type of model, and it'll use that to plot the most influential variables down to the least influential. Okay. Now, within a linear regression model, the most common way to measure the feature importance or how influential a variable is to use the absolute value of the t-statistic. So you would actually see a very direct or I guess identical type of ordering. If you were to order the model output based off the t-statistic, you would see these same features popping up. And that is really all that we are using to plot this for this linear regression model. But what this provides us is a way to look at and say, all right, these are those features that in this case, the linear regression model are most heavily influenced by. So it looks like the top four are all like roofing material. And then we have that's followed by the second floor square footage. We had a couple more roofing material, and then the first floor square footage. We do see a neighborhood here. So it seems like in this model, the roofing material and the square footage are pretty influential in how our model uses that information to make predictions. Okay.